Every still's got a story to tell. CopperStillCo, built by hand, shine a light gold across this whiskey land. From the mountains high to the holler low, making it shine. If you know, you know. CopperStillCo. Under the moonlight, the fog rolls in, out in the woods where the legends live. With a banjo strum and our spirits high, you gon' get a taste of moonshine life. Mason jars from north to south, raise them all up, keep dripping them out. The proof's in the still.